How to install mods in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So first, just open up your browser. So I'm currently on my browser right here. What you want to do is just search for MCPEDL. So this one, MCPEDL, and just click on the website. And here you could just search for any mods that you want. You could either go with add-ons or with scripts, just like so. So I already have mine right here, which is called Display Player and Mob Health. As you can see, it will just basically display the mob and your player health just like so. Now once it's done, you just simply need to scroll down till you see the downloads link. So click on download. Once you're there, it will bring you to this link. Just verify and wait for it to load. And here you will need to click on an ad first to unlock the link. So click on ad and you will visit the page. And after that, just exit out and wait for it to unlock. So as you can see, it says unlock progress is complete. Click on unlock content, then it will bring you right here. Now once you're here, you just simply need to download this. Now click on the MC pack right here. And once you're there, click on the download button here on the right side to download it. So just click on this. And I'm just going to place it on my desktop for easier access. Now, once it's done, you simply need to go to your desktop right here, then just double click on the MC pack and it will open up Minecraft Bedrock Edition and it will say import started and just simply wait for it. And now as you can see, it successfully imported the mod, and to activate it, just click on play and let's say I want to activate it on this world. Now just scroll down till you see this one right here. So click on behavior packs, then click on active and my packs. So as you can see, this is not active yet. So click on it, then click on activate. And as you can see, this world may not look or behave in the same way as non-modified worlds. So you should save a copy of your world before continuing. So if you want to save, you could do it. But if you don't want to save, just simply click on add the pack anyway. Now once it's done, just simply click on play. And let's see if it applied. But now, as you can see, when I go to a player or a mob, you can see it displays their health bar, and I hit them, it just displays it right there. I need to also find others. I see this big turtle right here, so it displays their health bar. I'm just gonna find more animals. Let's say this chicken. When I click on it, as you can see, it displays its health bar, which is 4 out of 4. And that's how I basically install mods in Minecraft Bedrock Edition.